You walk into McDonald's thinking about fries, burgers, maybe a milkshake. You stand in line scanning the menu. Then your eye catches this. A small, colorful box with a smiley face. The Happy Meal. You probably see it as just a kid's meal. Food with some fun packaging. But that little box? I swear it's hiding one of the most brilliant marketing moves in history. Here's the twist. McDonald's isn't just selling food. It's the world's largest toy distributor. Bigger than Mattel, Hasbro, Lego, and everyone else that classically sells toys. The trick is so subtle, most people don't even realize they've bought a toy. They think, it's just a bonus. But with hundreds of millions, now billions, of toys handed out each year, you better believe it's a massive operation. And that's only the beginning. Rewind to the 1970s. Pop culture's booming. Everything's bright and flashy. Kids are glued to TV. Enter a visionary from Guatemala. Yolanda Fernandez de Cofino, a local McDonald's franchise owner. She noticed something simple. Kids can't eat adult-sized portions. The burgers were too big, the fries too greasy, and the drinks basically volcanoes. So Yolanda created a kids' menu. A smaller burger, fries, drink, a small dessert, and a toy. That toy was simple, but oh so effective. Kids demanded the box, kids dragged their parents back. The food was almost secondary. The toy was the star. The idea made its way to the U.S., where advertising genius Bob Bernstein took it to the next level. He saw his own kid digging in a cereal box, hunting for the prize, and thought, what if we turned the meal into the prize? Boom! The Happy Meal was born in 1979. Its first run included a circus-themed box, little gadgets like McWrist, a watch, McDoodler, a doodling toy, puzzles and erasers. Cheap, whimsical, and magical. Kids were mesmerized. Parents were relieved. McDonald's had struck gold. The 80s came roaring in. Rambo, arcade games, VHS, and McDonald's made a power move, partnering with Disney. Suddenly, kids weren't just getting food. They were getting a figurine of Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, or DuckTales characters. And sales skyrocketed. That led to deals with Hot Wheels, Barbie, Power Rangers, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Transformers, My Little Pony, Lego, Pokemon, you name it. Every week brought something new. Children became collectors. Parents, exhausted. Sales exploded. Then came 1997's game changer. Teeny Beanie Babies, tiny plush critters from Thai Inc. Were cheap to make, but culturally explosive. Families queued early, some even discarded the food to get to the toy. The frenzy was real. Police were called to restaurants. McDonald's outlets shut down amid crowd chaos. That year, over 100 million Happy Meals sold, most solely for the toy. Suddenly, McDonald's wasn't a restaurant. It was the world's top toy distributor. Time for some jaw-dropping numbers. McDonald's now distributes around 1.5 billion toys annually. Yes, 1.5 billion. More toys than anyone else. Compare. Mattel produces approximately 500 million toys a year. Hasbro is in the same ballpark. Lego cranks out billions of pieces, but it doesn't mint 1.5 billion toys. McDonald's didn't even mean to become a toy titan. They just throw one in with the burger. And guess what? Kids don't go for the burger. They go for what it comes with. This tactic plays on both child psychology and parental fatigue. Imagine a cranky kid after preschool. You're drained, so you cave and get them the Happy Meal. Boom! Kids happy, restaurants sail, you're momentarily at peace. But here's the catch. They're effectively training children to expect something extra every time they eat. By age 3, a loyal customer's form. Genius? Absolutely. Creepy? Also, yeah, a bit. Happy Meals are often kids' first experience of consumer culture. Their first collection. Their first thrill of ownership. And McDonald's is sitting at the center of it all. Now check this out. Adults got hooked too. Enter the McDonald's Collectors Club, where grown-ups discuss, trade, and obsess over Happy Meal toys like rare Pokemon cards. Started in the 90s, this phenomenon created its own economy, a secondary market, and yes, craziness ensued. Crazy prices? You bet. Happy Meal Furby going for up to $500. Beanie Baby sets from 1997 fetching $1,000. Star Wars figurines from 2004 selling at $800. 1992, Muppet Babies sets up to $700. A sealed 1999 Pokemon Pikachu easily slipped into the $1,200 range. These toys, once shrugged off or tossed, become collectibles, like soft, nostalgic stocks. There are YouTube channels solely reviewing Happy Meal toys, unboxings, top 10s, rarest finds. Some versions never released in the US, complete envy territory. McDonald's also has a secret vault in the US. Hundreds of pallets of toys from decades past. Journalists have been denied access. It's less a storage facility, more a shrine. People literally drove states away to get one angry Shrek toy. Didn't find it, but they did get a sugar crash. Real story. Enter the teens. They're glued to TikTok, craving quick thrills, AR filters, and maybe something with a QR code and a digital friend. McDonald's responded, fast. Because the toy isn't just plastic anymore. It's an event. In 2022, they launched the Cactus Plant Flea Market Box, a collab with streetwear sensation, reinventing Grimace and Hamburglar in big eye street art style. Designed for millennial nostalgia and sold out instantly. McDonald's website crashed. And then came 2025's Lil McDonald's series. Mini cash registers, tiny play plaza setups, pocket-sized boxes, unmistakable nostalgia. Adults couldn't wait to snap, share, collect. Cue TikTok challenges, blind toy guessing, swap at McD's, build your mini McD's at home. Views in the millions. No ad spend, just cultural momentum fueled by Gen Z and millennials. McDonald's even took steps towards sustainability. Toys made from recycled materials. AR integrations that beam a play experience into your phone. Their agility rivals some Silicon Valley startups, all without a single tech launch tweet. So here we are. From Guatemala to TikTok, from cardboard boxes to mini playsets, this isn't just a fast food story. It's a story of childhood, culture, and commerce. They don't sell burgers. They sell promises of joy, anticipation, collections. Mom, I need that one dinosaur. Routines, repeat visits, nostalgia, fan culture, viral content, all delivered in one smirky cardboard face. Today, the stats tell the story. 1.5 billion plus toys a year. Hundreds of collections since 1979. Millions of views on unboxing videos. A fan community spanning toddlers to nostalgia-hungry adults. And yet, the genius is simple. It's not about the toy's material value. It's the memory it creates. Next time you spot that smiley-faced box, don't just see food. See childhood packaged. Because the biggest toy seller in the world isn't a toy maker. It's McDonald's, and they earn every toy they hand out. If this story surprised you, hit that like button so more people can discover it too. Subscribe for more deep dives into the wild side of everyday things. This was just the beginning. And hey, drop a comment below. Did you have a favorite Happy Meal toy growing up? Do you still have one hidden in a box somewhere? Or maybe you too once hunted down a rare Beanie Baby at your local McDonald's? We want to hear your McDonald's memory. Let's turn this comment section into a Happy Meal Hall of Fame.